Ta-da!
That's about all I can tell you.
Wow.
It's a good feeling day and all the rest of it. I mean, it's not bitterly cold or anything like that, but the roads have furrows because they haven't been able to get out and plow them all up, and with wind more snow over top, and so you're going to see in ruts and that on the main drag I'm talking about here. So you're going to have to, and I mean it, if you're lying around there in bed just listening now, and you're saying, well, I better get out of here pretty, I mean, give yourself some extra time. I want to tell you, I left an extra 15 minutes, and I had to slow it down by about 20K at least because of what I'm telling you. And there's a fair amount of traffic out there this morning. So be forewarned, all right?